Right guys, we were asking, is it better to do behind the handle before or after? Right, the trick is we always do it before. Right, the reason being is, most people when they're starting out with this, they'll put it on a bit too thick. If you know it's too thick and you put another coat over the top, when we come down, it's going to run. So you do get an opportunity to wipe it off. You're ideally with a dry rag, not a wet rag, and then have another go and then come over with the top coat. And the trick is always to come up, because if you notice, your arm will arc. It's the one time we want it to arc. Soft blend in, paint, soft blend out. Don't start from the top because it will leave a big line here and a blend at the bottom. Arc up. So this is a right handle, okay, right hand handle. It's quite easy. We wear gloves, obviously. Push down, done. This is the tricky one, okay, so I've tried so many different ways of how to do this. The one thing I'm not is ambidextrous. I can't spray left-handed, I'm terrible, okay? So we figured something out a good few years ago. It wasn't necessarily me, it was one of my guys on site. I walked on, saw him doing it, and that was it. So now what do we teach, okay? This is ours, we con it, just like this is Gangster from my mate Pete. This is mine. Bum, thumb, up you come. Don't get it the wrong way around.